This is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are looking at a driveway ribbon job with a walkway, a couple retaining walls, and a finished concrete walkway in the back. Now this is just going to be a quick video. I'll come back when we do a final cleanup and show you a little more what we did. So throughout the walkway area we did a traditional brick with a Techo-Bloc brick paver in the middle. Really gave it a nice look. In the center we did 2 driveway ribbon strips, and in all the dirt areas that you see will actually be grass when springtime comes. Give it a really nice look. And then on this left side, as you see, we have the wall coming to the edge, which is the same level as the other side. So this entire surface does have 6 inches of concrete below it, and then the paver's on top, so it'll hold up to the vehicle traffic. Going around to the rear, we put in a finished concrete walkway, French drain around the perimeter of the whole area, and then tied in a bunch of downspouts throughout the property like that. Here's a shot looking back down from the other way. Here's one final shot. I'll come back once we get the grass and the dirt in. Take some really nice pictures once it's cleaned up, but I wanted to get one shot before we got out of here for the day, since we are wrapped up with all the masonry work. I hope you like what you see and you give me a chance to earn your business if you have any stonework, concrete work, anything structural, and so forth. Thank you for watching and have a good day.